Is Brevo not sending your emails? Well, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the most common reasons this happens and show you how to troubleshoot each one. We'll check your account status, sender settings, contact lists, campaign configuration, and a few other areas that can prevent emails from being delivered. First, sign in to your Brevo account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for any notifications, warnings, or account restrictions. If your email address or account still needs verification, complete those steps before trying to send another campaign. Next, review your sender information. Make sure your sender name and sender email address are correct. If you're using your own domain, confirm that any required authentication settings, such as domain verification, have already been completed. Now check your contact list. Make sure your recipients have valid email addresses and that you've selected the correct contact list for your campaign. It's also a good idea to remove invalid or bounced contacts and confirm that your subscribers haven't unsubscribed. After that, open your campaign and review all of its settings carefully. Double-check the subject line, sender details, recipient list, scheduling options, and email content, so even a small mistake can sometimes prevent a campaign from sending successfully. If you're using Brevo's free plan, verify that you haven't reached your daily sending limit. Also check your campaign reports or activity logs for any error messages that might explain why the email wasn't sent. Finally, send yourself a test email after making any changes. If the test email arrives successfully, try sending your campaign again. If the issue continues, visit Brevo's Help Center or contact their support team with the details of the problem and any error messages you've received. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix Brevo not sending emails in 2026. Checking your account, sender information, contacts, and campaign settings will solve most sending issues. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Brevo tutorials and email marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.